What is going on, YouTube? So car repairs. Today we're going to be working on my 07 GT. We're going to be changing out the rear control arms. This side is clunking a whole lot and squeaking because the bushing is pretty much worn completely out. So I got a set of rear control arms. Of course, one for the driver, one for the passenger side. So we're going to start out with the bad side first, the side that's making the most noise, which is our passenger side. As you can see, I went with just an OEM replacement. Could have went with the polyurethane BMRs. I could have went with white line. I could have went with Roush, but I decided to just stick with the OEM. This car has 200,000 miles on it. The control arms just started going bad, so I just decided to go with OEM. I know a lot of people decide to go with the grease fittings on the aftermarkets, but I chose these ones. These ones I'm going with, OEM. So that's just my preference. You can do whatever you want to do, but this is just what I chose to do. Same process with OEMs and aftermarket, so nothing's different. Go ahead and set this to the side. The passenger side control arm is the one in question to be bad. It's quite a lot of play. Of course, you know, going over roads, you can hear a little bit better than you can now. But that's what I'm hearing when I'm driving. On top of that bushing gives me a lot of squeaking. So we're gonna remove this bolt here and also remove the bolt off the back of here as well. Right there. And also the e-brake cable, it just kind of has a clip behind here that I'll show you guys how to get to. This ball here is an 18 mil. So to remove that E cable, the emergency brake cable, this is like this little retainer clip right here. Let's go ahead and pull that out. So if you have a manual, you want to make sure that the car is in gear and you need to take the e-brake off, free up tension on your cable here. You can kind of just lift it up and out of place. Just like that. That'll drop the whole thing. Now the control arm can easily come out of there. And now you have your old control arm. As you can see, bushing is pretty torn up here. It's cracked real bad in the back. So yeah, this bushing was at the end of its life. So pretty much now everything is just reverse order. You know, this hole right here is for that e-brake cable to come through. So it's gonna come through like this. And you'll just hook it back up to that bracket on the caliper. Get these bolts put back in place. Grab your hardware. All right, we got our first bolt threaded through. See it through the back here. Grab our next bolt, feed it through here, and it's going to thread into the next bracketed nut in the back right there. Pull it back in. Everything should line up pretty good. So we got all of our threads started now. All right, so now we're gonna rehook our e-brake cable. It's gonna lock in that bracket here. All right, just like that. You can hear it kind of snap. It's gonna come around this side here. It goes just like that. Grab your bracket, slip that back into place. And that's it, stays in place. Button down your bolts. Make sure everything's tight and good. All right, it's nice and tight. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's how you replace the rear control arms on the 05 to 010 Mustang GT and V6. It's pretty simple, super straightforward. All right, till next time, guys. Still Car Repair, Still Car Garage. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments or any questions or concerns. Peace.